Hi, I'm Dr. James Cooke, Head of Global Equity Research at Ashburton Investments. I'd like to tell you a bit about our investment philosophy and in particular why we like investing in quality companies and what quality means to us. For us, quality companies are those that are earning returns ahead of their cost of capital. There are lots of different ways to say this, generating economic profit, for example. Really, this means that the company is compounding its intrinsic worth over time, and this makes the entry multiple into that company less important than, say, value investing. For value investors tend to look at investing in companies that are trading at a deep discount to an intrinsic value, but that intrinsic value itself doesn't compound, whereas we like investing in companies that offer growth at a reasonable price, where the intrinsic value of your investments is going up over time. Companies that are growing intrinsic value are generating returns ahead of their cost of capital, and this normally means that they have some sort of sustainable competitive advantage. This could be size. For instance, Visa is twice the size of its nearest competitor, MasterCard, or a company that invests a huge amount in research and development. For instance, Microsoft. These sustainable competitive advantages help companies to grow their intrinsic value over time. We like to invest in companies that have strong balance sheets. This means that in times of market stress, when they need to raise capital, they don't tend to suffer from a heavy dilution. And we like to invest in companies that have high levels of corporate governance. And that means how well they've treated shareholders in the past. For this reason, we often invest in stocks that are listed in developed markets, even though perhaps their economic exposures are more diversified into high growth areas in the global economy. Developed markets tend to have higher levels of corporate governance than emerging markets. Quality means different things to different investors and different people, but for us, in summary, quality means investing in companies that have sustainable competitive advantages, which means that they generate returns ahead of their cost of capital, so they're growing intrinsic value over time, and have relatively strong balance sheets and treat shareholders well.